Hello, everybody. This is Tracy. I'm the content manager from One Block, and it's been 2 weeks after we finished the Polkadot Hackathon Bangkok station, and we warmly welcome the team that entered finals to give a brief introduction of their projects. And today we have Pavel from Sandglass. Pavel, could you be able to introduce yourself and the project?
Hi everyone. We are a developers team. We're not a company, so we're a developers team with expertise in Polkadot, and we decided to create a product that allow to anonymous transactions in Polkadot. So we started with a mixer. So it's a mixer working out of a box, but the idea that it can be adapted to any use cases like voting in different DAOs or some other things not even related with finances, but maybe with some other things like auctions, voting, and etc.
Yeah, then which category or tracks you pick for the hackathon? We have 4 categories, like open topic, infrastructure, the app, and use Polkadot SDK to build a chain.
We were looking for connection with Akala Bifrost because it can be easily integrated if they need with Akala Bifrost, and it's more providing like a tool, a code solution rather than a product itself, but it's easy for any startup or anyone interested in anonymous transactions on Polkadot to use our code, and we can help to adapt it to the needs of the product.
Then did you make any progress, even it's just 2 weeks since we
Yes, of course. So we worked on the whitelist and blacklist because, as you know, all these anonymous things, they face legal issues sometimes. And we want to make sure that companies who run this code, they can control that only certain users can use it who passed KYC or that these users, you can trust them and you can allow them to make anonymous transactions.
Then why do you choose a Polkadot ecosystem?
I've been working with the founder of this project, Smith, for a couple of years in another company. We were working on a layer 1. We created a new layer 1 blockchain based on Polkadot and Substrate. And Smith has a lot of years of experience in Polkadot, so we are just know a lot about this ecosystem, and that's why we chose Polkadot.
Then what's the key features that you think your project can really attract users?
One of the very interesting features, so it's based on zero-knowledge ZK proofs, but one of the features is TOTP. So it's on-chain OTP that adds an extra layer of security, and it prevents even a possibility of brute force attacks on that, and it makes things much more convenient and secure. So it's optional, but users can use OTP with their Google Authenticator or any other authenticator to confirm the transactions. And it's all verified on chain.
Okay. Then do you have any plans, like either technical plans or marketing plans for the project?
If we were a company or if we were like a product that wants to evolve by ourselves, we could have some plans. Of course, there are many directions where we could go, but we are a developers team and we're looking at a startup or an existing company in Polkadot ecosystem who might be interested in secure anonymous transactions. And we can help with our solution to adapt it to different needs by using our ZK proofs, by using TOTP and things that we build. So we have no plans on marketing or on existence like a company.
Then at last, do you have any suggestions, or in general, how do you feel about this hackathon, or suggestions to developers that are probably willing to join our next Polkadot hackathon?
We like the hackathon. We enjoyed different projects, and it's not a problem for us that we didn't win the prizes. Because again, we're just like offering a code solution that can be used by some projects, and maybe some of these projects, I would suggest for them to look on our code, to look on our product. Maybe it will be useful for some of them, and we can always help to adapt it to the needs of these products. Some of them are amazing, and maybe they can find our solution to be a part of their product.
Then thank you. I hope I'm looking forward to seeing more collaborations and more developers use your solutions, and probably see you like next Polkadot Hackathon. Thank you, Pavel.
Thank you.